In Islam, the stories of the prophets hold great significance and are revered by believers around the world. These stories are not just tales of the past, but lessons and guidance for the present and future. They serve as a source of inspiration, wisdom, and moral teachings for Muslims to follow in their daily lives. One of the most well-known prophets in Islam is Prophet Adam. According to Islamic teachings, Adam was the first human being created by Allah and was given the responsibility of being the caretaker of the earth. He and his wife, Eve, lived in paradise until they were tempted by Satan and ate from the forbidden tree. Despite their mistake, Allah forgave them and they were sent to earth to live as mortals. Another important prophet in Islam is Prophet Noah. He was chosen by Allah to warn his people about the impending flood as a punishment for their disbelief and disobedience. Noah spent years building an ark to save himself, his family, and a pair of every animal species. When the flood came, only those who believed in Allah and followed Noah were saved. Prophet Abraham is also highly revered in Islam for his unwavering faith and devotion to Allah. He was tested by Allah in many ways, including being asked to sacrifice his son, Ismail. Abraham was willing to obey Allah's command, but at the last moment, Allah provided a ram as a substitute for Ismail. This act of obedience and trust in Allah is a powerful example for Muslims to follow. Prophet Moses is another prominent figure in Islamic teachings. He was chosen by Allah to lead the Israelites out of slavery in Egypt and to receive the 10 Commandments. Despite facing many challenges and obstacles, Moses never wavered in his faith and commitment to Allah. His story serves as a reminder of the importance of perseverance and trust in Allah's plan. Prophet Jesus is also revered in Islam as a messenger of Allah and a miracle worker. Muslims believe that Jesus was born to the Virgin Mary through a miraculous birth and that he performed many miracles, including healing the sick and raising the dead. Although Jesus is not considered divine in Islam, his teachings of love, compassion, and forgiveness are highly respected by Muslims. Finally, Prophet Muhammad is considered the last and greatest prophet in Islam. He received the revelation of the Quran from Allah and spent his life spreading the message of Islam to the people of Arabia. Despite facing persecution and hardship, Muhammad remained steadfast in his mission and eventually succeeded in establishing Islam as a major world religion. Overall, the stories of the prophets in Islam are a source of inspiration and guidance for Muslims around the world. They teach valuable lessons about faith, obedience, perseverance, and trust in Allah. By studying and reflecting on these stories, Muslims can gain a deeper understanding of their religion and strive to live their lives in accordance with the teachings of the prophets.